Thinking of redesigning your bedroom? Stop. Designing your bedroom the wrong way can make it look small, cluttered, or even cheap, and I don't want that to happen to you. Today, I'm sharing the most common bedroom design mistakes and how to fix them so your space looks stylish, functional, and relaxing. I help people transform their homes without wasting money or making costly mistakes. Before we start, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any home design tips. Let's dive in. Mistake number one, placing your bed in the wrong spot. Many people push the bed against a wall or under a window, which can make the room feel cramped or block natural light. Center the bed on the main wall and leave space on both sides. If the room is small, try floating the bed or using a low profile frame to create balance and flow. Mistake 2, using too many patterns. Mixing clashing patterns can make your bedroom feel chaotic and stressful. Stick to one statement pattern, like a patterned duvet or curtains, and pair it with solid colors and textures for a calm, stylish vibe. Mistake 3, poor lighting. Relying only on a ceiling light can make your bedroom feel flat and uninviting. Layer your lighting. Use bedside lamps, wall sconces, or statement chandelier. Dimmer switches can also create a cozy, relaxing atmosphere at night. Mistake 4, skipping an area rug. No rug can make a bedroom feel cold or disconnected. Choose a rug that's large enough to sit under the bed and extend past the sides. It adds warmth, texture, and pulls the design together. Mistake 5, overcrowding your bedroom. Too much furniture or decor can make the room feel cramped. Stick to essentials: bed, nightstands, a dresser, and maybe a chair. Keep the layout airy and functional for a stress-free space. Mistake 6, ignoring storage solutions. Messy bedrooms happen when there isn't enough storage for clothes, linens, or personal items. Use underbed storage, built-in closets, or multifunctional furniture like storage benches. A clean bedroom always feels more luxurious. Mistake 7, wrong bedding choices. Cheap or mismatched bedding can make even a nice bedroom look sloppy. Invest in high-quality sheets and bedding in neutral tones. Layer with pillows, throws, and textures to create a cozy, hotel-like feel. Mistake 8, ignoring wall decor. Blank walls can make a bedroom feel unfinished and dull. Add art, framed photos, or a statement wall behind the bed. Make sure it complements your color scheme and doesn't overwhelm the space. Mistake 9, poor color choices. Bright, clashing colors can make it hard to relax, while very dark colors can make a small bedroom feel cramped. Stick to calming colors like soft neutrals, pastels, or muted tones. Add pops of color through decor, pillows, or artwork. And finally, mistake 10, neglecting your personal style. A bedroom should reflect you. Following trends blindly can make your room feel generic. Add personal touches like a favorite artwork, books, plants, or decor items that make the space uniquely yours. So let's recap. Bed placement matters. Avoid too many patterns. Layer your lighting. Use an area rug. Don't overcrowd. Include storage solutions. Invest in bedding. Decorate your walls. Choose calming colors. Show your personal style. Fixing these mistakes will completely transform your bedroom into a stylish, cozy, and relaxing retreat. If you learned something new today, hit the like button, subscribe for more home design tips, and comment below. Which bedroom mistake are you fixing first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.